Coming out here is the Ravage, Rayne.
Come on!
Okay, I'll show for you this one time. What can I say? I'm a wild bird. I made up the whole time. Okay, this is what I can't do for you for. Rooster. I can't do for you.
They come down, we will call it Rayne Rooster.
And there's the Rooster.
She could kick that best fry even would be. She'd be worse than DJ in the rap. Rooster! Come on!
Coming down here is the lost soul, Barret, Dade.
Rayne Ravage versus Kurt versus
I know this is a match. That doesn't mean we can't be friends. Come on. Come on. Bring it in. Shake your hand.
we'll have ourselves a that's the double chop. Hey, they chopping here, they chopping that side. Oh!
That's what happens when you get cocky.
Remember,
So, okay, what do you do? What do you do? What do you do when your kids are having a dispute? You put them in the ring and you let them yell at each other.
and settle it. Yeah. And that's what they're doing, is settling the dispute.
That's exactly. So everybody thinking, I come out here, everybody thinks, oh, what you turn on SOM? No, I didn't turn on SOM. They're mine. I think Nicholas Dade
That's everybody's. They're both mine.
I'm in charge of that.
Two count.
Huh? No, there's only one FWO. There's only one FWO. That's the black and the red.
What?
There's only one SOM.
What counts?
They're mine. I don't care what Rob thinks. I don't care what Nicholas thinks. They work for me.
And I was working on that neck.
No.
Come on, Rooster! Off his head off!
Okay, Perk is that guy. The Rooster.
That's Rooster. Perfect.
What's the move now? Right up with that. And super. Since you know everything.
Hey, Nick! This is for you, baby!
Double RBG.
Sorry, Rooster. You just got mixed up with a bad crowd.
He said he created SOM and
Come on, Rooster! Rooster!
him and his advisor to SOM.
Come on, Rooster!
Goes out of the corner. Two count. Barret's carry. Cover 1, 2, that's it.
Now, did you learn your
The winner of the match, Ravage.
As I was saying, Rayne, Ravage.
You ain't destroying nothing, little boy.
Really?
You ain't destroying nothing.
now?
That was for you, Austin.
That was dedicated. That's dedicated to Austin.
No, he's right. Kill one time. I don't need you to cheer for me.
Now.
Davidson will go away. That's what these people want. That's what I want.
Do you actually think I care what these people want?
Then why are you here with the FWO? They run
Oh,
this
that's the $1 million question. I'm thinking.